am I doing this? Can I go back to sleep, please? Hello, neighbor. He did not like that I recorded him. Anyways, breakfast time. Chicken has been acquired. I made it. We're alive. Yo, what up, YouTube? What's going on, bro? How's it going? What are you doing? What are you doing today? We're here at the shop. I got my girl Rhonda here. Gotta get some work done on old thing. You might be able to notice already. Old girl's bleeding. She's bleeding bad. Holy moly. Yeah, that don't look no good now, does it? Only leaks when I'm driving 2,000 RPM or higher. We're gonna get the truck stood up, raise it up a little bit so I can get to everything better. We're gonna clean the fuck out of it. There, we'll wrap it up a little bit, see if I can get it to leak again, figure out where it's coming from, and fix it. I'm tired. I wanna go back to bed. What are you doing in here, boy? Somebody hit me up if you want to buy some wood. Yep, it's leaking, of course. Radiator doesn't seem to be leaking no more, which is good. But the drain plug for the oil pan certainly is. What's going on, chat? Let's get into it. Why did I call you chat? I don't know. Bastard, bitch. Will you just let go of the trailer? I swear. God damn, dude, really? Kids these days. Ah, bug. Ugly ass bug. Why do you look like that, bro? Grab this. Rotate. I say, rotate, boy. I need to get a water. Big time. Big time need a water. Or 3. Or 7. Oh, the brake cleaner. Old, worn out, dusty, crusty, the reliable shit wipers. Well, let's get into it. You gotta be Mr. Cameraman. Uh-oh. They shorted me a plastic straw. Those bastards. Spray, spray, spray away the pain. Dude, it's still dripping. It's all over the starter, everything. It's all over your mom, my mom. This truck is old up, son. What are you gonna do? Explode on me? You'd like that, wouldn't you? First can down. No way they shorted me another straw, dude. Can't believe O'Reilly's would do this to me. Get out of the way. So you won't get tired. Now my thoughts are, obviously, I think it's the drain line for the turbinator. Because of the conditions that we have where it only leaks under load and high RPM, I have no way of knowing this for sure. What's weird is that this happened all of a sudden out of nowhere when it got cold. There's can number 2. Down and out. Can't see nothing. I wouldn't think that the oil pan gasket is leaking. That wouldn't make any sense to me. I think we'll go upstairs now. We're trying to get back here. Air filter, boots gotta come off. Fucking blue, pink, yellow, whatever, man. Just keep bringing me that. Well, come on now. Will you just... Oh, come on, you fucking piece of rat bastard bullshit. Get off of here. God damn. Holy moly. You... Oh. It seems I forgot to tighten that band clamp the last time I took this off. Sprite cleaner. Also, fun fact, when you accidentally bump the cameras, they do some quirky stuff, like lose all your footage. Well, I got my hat back. Well, gentlemen, parts acquired. The truck started making a noise, and my left turn signal was flashing really quick, which usually means one of the bulbs is gone. Well, there ain't no bulbs. Fell out. Going down the damn highway, pulled over, and I ran across 3 lanes of traffic to retrieve my $75 light, which is now just absolutely toasted. I guess we'll deal with that later. Right now, get this job finished up and get paid, baby. Got the air filter back off. Silver tube down there. Get to the bolts under the turbo. And who's to say that I'll be able to put the new one back in? That's gonna be the fun part. I can reach the outside one, at least. Oh, wow, that was not tight at all. I'm gonna blow your head smooth off, boy. Reach. Come on. Fuck. Can't reach. Another angle. Should be kind of easy at least. Nope. Of course. That ain't no good. Oh, hell. Well, that's a problem. Yeah, that's a major problem. That's a problem. Let me deal with this. Here we got our improvised flathead screwdriver. Hopefully I can pull that out of there now. Let's give it a shot. Well, it was falling further in. Dude, I got it. We were literally inches from having to drop the oil pan. With patience and pure luck, we got it. Just as hard as it was to get the old one out, it's even harder to get the new one in. Trying to do it to where it doesn't break. Fuck you! Good enough, god damn. Sitting there.
the leak. A little notch right there. Looks like it was just rubbing on something and eventually made a hole. Burning off all that schmutz that I got soaked in. We done.